Welcome to Leach Camper Sales, where we camp better. My name is Ron. I'm here to show you a Cougar. This is a 32Rdb travel trailer. Let's start on the outside here since we're out here. This has got a very large outdoor kitchen. This is a Bunk model, so it has a very large outdoor kitchen with a huge refrigerator out here, a grill, not a two-burner cooktop, an actual grill. And I'm going to fold this up real quick. Show you there's actually room up here on the countertop, and there's a plug-in back there to put a microwave back there too. So you've got a full outdoor kitchen with storage out here also. Okay. This actually works as a nice cover because the awning does stop here, but you're still covered even while you're cooking outside. Two entrances into this camper. One goes straight into the bedroom, or straight into the bathroom. The other one goes into the living area. On the outside, we have plug-ins for a TV. We got a 110 outlet, and then we got the cable and satellite connections out here. Once again, just like most of the Cougar travel trailers, this one has the auto level system on it. Not a stabilizing system, a true auto level system that will level the camper out with one button. Simply hit auto level and it will level it out front to back, side to side. Unlike every other camper that simply has a stabilizing system on them. This has the solid steps going in. And as you come in, up here, this camper, just like the rest of the Cougars, is run by the in-command system. The in-command system is cool. You can learn more about it at www.keystonerv.com. Look on there and you'll learn more about it. But the cool thing about this is there's actually an app you can put on your phone and run the whole camper from your phone. While we're here at the door, we can look in the main bedroom. This has got a king-size bed in here. With a window up front, so you got to get some really cool views out the front window. It does have a visor that comes down for that. It's also pre-wired for a second air conditioner if you wanted to put that in here. TV, fireplace, sofa that turns into a bed. It's a tri-fold bed that comes out, so you got room for two more people to sleep here. And then the dinette actually falls down also and turns into a bed, so you got more room there. 8 cubic foot refrigerator, stove, 3-burner cooktop. Down here is all the fuses and circuit breakers. We come back here, storage for the kids' toys and things of that nature. For if you needed more room for canned goods or whatever, you got more storage right here. Back here in the bunk room, fun bunk room, we got a big bunk up on top, got another one here, ladder going up also, so you don't have to go find a ladder, which you'll find in a lot of them. Storage, tons of storage in here. Okay, this bed flips up and it's actually easy to do. Anybody can do it. Once again, we got another bed here that can fold out. Tons of storage underneath this bunk. Underneath this bunk on the outside is that outside kitchen. Ducted air conditioning and a barreled ceiling. Complete the inside. And then in the bathroom here, like I said, you've got that door going straight outside. We have a tub shower in here. Okay, so if you want to give the dog a bath or something, you got room to do that with storage in there, so you can actually have a place to put your towels and things in there also. If you have a question about this or any other trailer here at Leach Camper Sales, please feel free to look us up on the web at www.leachrv.com or give us a call here at the store. Thanks. Have a great day.